to Now Alarm Clock program. Let me wake you up at your time. Remember to dismiss the alarm. I will blink one of my eyes and make the alarm sound, so you have to touch your hand on the blinking eye side to dismiss, then let me on until the alarm time. What is the month you want me to wake you up at?
March.
March. Use the 3 buttons up on my head for change the parameters, the front for plus, middle for OK, and the back for minus. Set the alarm day. 31. 30. The final value for day is 30. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Set the alarm hour, 24 hours format. 19. 20. 19. 18. The final value for hour is 18. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Set the alarm minute. 31. The final value for minute is 31. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Set the alarm volume. 40. 50. The final value for volume is 50. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Set the alarm duration. This duration is the time with the alarm ringing by seconds. 110.0. The final value for duration for ringing is 110.0. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. This is how many times the alarm rings until self-dismiss if you did not dismiss it by yourself. 4. 3. The final value for times to dismiss is 3. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Now do you want me to do some animation while alarm time? Press my front head button for yes or rear button for no, then press the center button for OK. Yes. No. Yes. The final value for use animation is no. Are you sure?
No.
No. Yes. The final value for use animation is yes. Are you sure?
Yes.